Discipline, rhythm, precision. In a high-level kitchen, these aren't just words. They are the pillar of a delicate, moving balance. Every service is a symphony ode to perfection. Behind the past, hidden heroes crafting flavors that push past the ordinary, challenging the norm, understanding food at a molecular level, educating the way we eat. In order to capture these moments, you need a tool that dances along the same lines. The Sony Alpha 7 Mark V is that hidden hero. With the Bion's XR processor and next-gen subject recognition, it doesn't just see the moment, it's already beginning to anticipate your next move. When it comes to 4K 120 frames video and 30 frames high-speed burst, fast-moving moments just seem to slow down. And from there, one can really notice the beauty of movement. But it's not just capturing things while things are moving fast. It's also noticing the small, beautiful details. This is where the Sony 50-150 G Master F2 really brings you close up to the action. The close-up macro details is where you'll find the magic. From the frantic energy of the dance to the quiet stillness of the final plate. When it comes to capturing the essence of food, the moments are brief. Anticipation is everything. A sharp instrument will make the cleanest cuts. My name is Tang. I'm a chef and a filmmaker.